Like this, so they tell you where.
So what you want to do?
I tell me I don't be like this now, Zimba. This fake money, but I just put out probably t-shirt. Go buy something, make person China. This fake money.
Oh, now if they catch you, no concern.
Maybe I go now.
Go now.
Come on, man, go buy something. Come,
they catch me.
Man, go come.
That's what people they cheat people.
Bro, so then,
welcome.
I live in now.
Fine.
I want to buy something.
Okay.
See, you need to go. You just take this one, but I ain't asking me. Just give me that, and that one. Yes, give. Give me. Thank you. Right on.
This boy, they think they fit scam me. They don't know see me too a day for the game. Now see their phone and their money now. My salary is got to stay collector. They mad. They don't see nothing.
Man, chief. I don't go collect time now. See I'm like this, I don't go collect time. Wait till you get there. They tell me go my speak money bad. I can't go my house like this. Okay, Mama is check my money. I need to understand that. I need to understand.
Money.
Voilà, never see my money. Never see my phone.
Our mumu not too much.